The respondent heirs filed a motion for reconsideration of the suspension order. Okay, the order suspending the intestate proceedings, allowing the probate proceedings to take precedence over the intestate proceedings. Okay, so the respondent heirs, the surviving spouse, and the children of the decedent asked for a reversal of that order. Unfortunately, the regional trial court denied the motion. Wow. Worse, the regional trial court also summarily revoked the letters of administration previously issued. Okay, previously issued to John Jr., so the child of the decedent, okay, one of the children. Recall, John Jr., okay, John Jr., this is not his real name. As one of the children of the decedent John, he was previously appointed as the special administrator of the estate in the first special proceeding, the intestate estate proceeding. The respondent heirs also filed a motion for reconsideration questioning the summary revocation of the letters of administration. Okay. Then, dumot na ni. The respondent heirs then made the ultimate move, and that is to ask for the inhibition of the Regional Trial Court Branch 911 judge. Okay. The judge handling the case was asked to inhibit. Luckily, the Regional Trial Court granted the motion for the inhibition. The case was transferred to another branch, decided by another judge. And of course, let's see if the new judge will have a different way of handling this probate or intestate proceeding. So let's move forward on another part of the decision, and I'll see you in the next video.